Hi, in the previous video, I have discussed about what are expressions, types of expressions, and then I have discussed about arithmetic expression. Now this video is continuation of the previous video, and in this video I will be explaining what are logical expressions and mixed expressions and string expressions I will be discussing in this video. So if you have not seen my previous video where I have explained about arithmetic functions and arithmetic expressions and relational expressions, you can subscribe to my channel and watch those videos. So now we will be continuing with logical expressions. Now we will see what are logical expressions. Logical expressions are those expressions which are having logical operators in it. For example, logical operators are not, and, or. I have written in the order of precedence. So first precedence is given to not, then or, then and, and then or. For example, I have written an expression here which is having it is a combination of and, nor, and not. And, or, and not. This is a combination of expression, logical expression. We will solve it, but before solving it, we will see a simple expression. Here. I have got A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 12. Suppose I write A is greater than B, and B is less than C. So here, if you see this example, here and is used to combine these two sub-expressions. So logical operators are generally used to combine two sub-expressions, and you will get the output either in the form of true or false. You will get the output either in the form of true or false. Now let us see this example. Now I substitute the values. I write 10 is greater than 5, and 5 is less than 12. So what will be the output? 10 is greater than 5. Yes, I just write in short form. 10 is greater than 5. Yes, it is true. And then 5 is less than 10. Yes, it is true. So true and true, you will get answer as true. Now how we are saying that true and true is true? Because in the case of AND operator, you will get true if all inputs are true. So you have to remember this table. You have got a table for and what is that table you have to remember is input 1 and then input 2. What will be the output? That is, you have to remember this table. I have got combination true, false, false, true, and then true and true, false and false. So these combinations I have got. So as I told you, in the case of AND, it will give you output true only if all inputs are true. So here in this case, one input is false, so output is going to be false. In this case 1. Again here one input is false. First one is false, so this is also going to be false. Here both the inputs are true, so the output is going to be true. Here both the inputs are false, so even this is false. So in case of AND, you will get output as 1 or true if all inputs are true. So this rule only I have applied here. True and true will give you true. So this is about AND operator. Now let us solve this one. But before solving, let me write a table for OR also. In the case of OR, how it will be evaluated is for input 1, input 2, and then output. So true, false, false, true, false, false, true, true. True and false, this will be true. That is, in the case of OR, if any one of input is true, the output will be true. If any one of input is true, the output will be true. So this is true, so this is going to be true. In the case of here, second output is true, so this will be true. In the case of here, both inputs are false, so this is going to be false. and here true, true, true. So this is how this is the rule which is applied for OR. In the case of not of true is nothing but false. Not of false is nothing but true. So this you have to remember when you are evaluating the logical expressions. So let us see how to solve this example. Again here I have got what all I have got here relational operator and logical operator. Now in this case what will happen is the very first preference is given to relational operator, then next preference is given to logical operator. Suppose in an expression if I have got arithmetic, relational and logical operators, all three operators, the very first precedence is given to arithmetic expressions. First preference is given to arithmetic, then relational, then comes the logical operator. So you have to remember first precedence is given to arithmetic expressions, then second precedence is given to relational, and third precedence is given to logical. So here first relational operators will be relational expressions will be evaluated first. So 5 is less than 10, yes, this is true, and 10 is less than 5, this is going to be false. Or 3 is less than 18, yes, this is true, and what will happen here? 8 is less than 18, yes, this is true, but not of true will be false. Now what will happen here? OR is also there, AND is also there. First AND will be solved because higher precedence is given to AND and then goes to OR. So what will happen here? True and false. True and false, as I told here, in the case come to this table, true and false is false. Because any one of the input, if any one of the input is false, it is going to be false in the case of AND. All input should be true. Or again here, true and false, this is nothing but again true and false, it will be false. Why? Because in the case of AND both should be true. Now false or false, this is false, because in the case of OR at least one of the inputs should be true. So this is how this logical expressions is evaluated. Now let us see how to solve this expression. This is a combination of arithmetic and then you have got logical operator. Now as I told you, if you have combination of operators like this, now first precedence is given to arithmetic, then relational and then logical. So first arithmetic expression will be solved. There is no relational, so first arithmetic will be solved. So how it will be solved is, here evaluation will start from left to right. So this will be 5.0 or 2.0 plus this is also going to be 2.0, because always the division operator will give you answer in floating point. So now what is next one? This one will be evaluated. This is going to be 4.0. Now as I told you, generally it gives answer in the form of true or false, the logical operator. Now what will be the answer in this case? It is 5.0 or 4.0. Now you have to remember that in the case of OR, the very first non-zero will be the answer. Now evaluation will start from left to right. Now the very first non-zero, if any one value is non-zero, the output will stop there. That is, the evaluation will stop there and the output will be 5.0. Because the very first input itself is non-zero, so it will not go further, it will stop here in this non-zero itself. So the answer will be 5.0. Suppose if I replace this with AND, what will happen? Instead of OR, I am just replacing this with and. Now in this case, what will be the answer? In this case, when it comes to and, what will be the answer is, how will the evaluation will go on is, it will go up to end. Evaluation will go up to end. That is, it will display the last non-zero. If it encounters any zero in between, it will stop there and the answer will be 0. But in this case, what will happen? First 5.0, so it is non-zero, and 4.0, so it is non-zero, so it will display last non-zero. So the answer will be 4.0 in this case. The last four non-zero it will display. If it encounters, if the expression sees or encounters any zero, it will stop there and the output will be 0. Otherwise, what it will display, and operator will display last non-zero value. So the evaluation will go up to end in the case of and in the case of or, the evaluation will stop as soon as it encounters first non-zero. So this is the answer. Now we will finally see string expressions. Now on string expressions, you can apply two operators. One is plus, another one is the exponentiation operator. There is two multiplication signs. Now plus is used to combine two strings, that is to concate two strings, and multiplication, that is to exponentiation, we will see. Now for example, if I am having two variables, s is holding value school and x is holding value welcome. Now if I write print s plus x, what will happen? That is school plus welcome. So what will happen? This plus operator will concatenate these two strings and it will give you output as school and school welcome. No space in between. Suppose if I'm trying to apply the plus operator on one string and one integer like this, print s plus y. Y is holding value 10 and s is holding value school. So what will happen? What will happen if you have one string expression, one string value and one integer value? So this will give you error because this is not possible. One integer and one string. Plus can be applied on either two strings or one integer or on numbers. Okay, so this is not possible. So this is how plus operator is applied. Now suppose if I want to apply this exponentiation, if you want to repeat a string value, then you have to use exponentiation. Suppose if I write print s exponentiation operator and 3 like this, so what will happen? It will print s, that is, it will print school 3 times. Okay, so the output will be, school, school, school. So it will display the value school 3 times. Suppose if I write print asterisk star for 10 times, then what will happen? You will get output as star, star, star for when you are doing projects, you can use this for displaying the outputs. So in this way, exponentiation operator is used to repeat the string as many times as you specify. So this is about string expressions. Okay, so if you like my videos, you can subscribe to my videos you can watch this and for more upcoming videos also. Thank you.